Hey, welcome back to the channel. Okay, and today I am not doing a planning because so far the week is went by. So I have some Happy Meal. Trying to see. I think this is the subscription. Let's see. That my quarterly subscription to the Coffee Monster Co. Yep, it is. Okay, so the theme of the 2025 quarter 3 subscription is discovery. While the nerdy math and science doodles may not be directly applicable to all, I hope this collection inspires you to be curious about everything and anything. So get out your school supplies. I know you have a lot, and start learning. So, starting with the pen pals, I have two vinyl sticker cutouts, and those keep learning. And that's pretty. And this other one is a stack of like a notebook, a folder with papers. And then there's this washi type card that has a dot grid on it on one side and notebook paper on the other, which is cute with some doodles there. And then we have a clip set. And so let's see. Pen and pencil acrylic tips. It said pen and pencil acrylic tips for clipping paper. So there's a pencil and the emoji, and then the back of the pencil and emoji. That's really cute. I think it is acrylic. Yeah, it's some protective tape on there. And then this one is an e pen with a fountain pen rather with the emoji and the butt. Those are cute. It says pen and pencil acrylic clips for clipping paper, not for golf. So that's what that has on there. Then we have one. Oh, this is the card that was supposed to go with those stickers. The washi card and nerdy doodles, sparkly space, classroom chalkboard, and nerdy notes. So um, that's probably nerdy doodle, and that's pretty. And then classroom chalk. That's really cute. It's mitochondria. And then the last one is classroom chalkboard. And there's that. It's like chalkboard gray. So let me pick that up. So this top one is Nerdy Doodles. This one is the Sparkly Space, Classy Chalkboard, and then Nerdy Notes. Those are cute. And that's the washi that came inside of that for the quarter. And then doodles here. So we have the symbol buttons, question marks, exclamation, forward, I guess moving forward if you, and checklist. Then there's the large science doodles. Those are nice. With the pi equal sign and math. I do not like math. There are the some of the, oh my gosh, elements. Can't think of the word. Drawing a blank. Markers and different things like that. And confused emojis. Huh? What? What? Puzzled? No clue. Hitting your head on the board. That's cute. I had plenty of days. Draft, outlines, edit, Nice late night cramming, I guess. Finally done. Paper writing process. Totally get that. And then these are the school notes. So blank, wide ruled paper. Um, just random sheets of paper that are clipped together in a notepad. So that is the Q3 Discovery subscription from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. It's really nice. Really like all those things in the washi tape. Add to my collection. And those, just to get a better view of those together. And then I have one more piece of Happy Meal to share. I won't be keeping you long. I literally had this really big box with 4 things. So one thing I ordered was this compact pen. It says ballpoint diameter, brown, and grade on the refill is 0.5, and it's a ball pen, gel ink. Let's pull out that same little notebook we were using. Let's see. It's in brown. Not too bad. I like that. It is a compact pen. It's the Muji. Muji, Muji. And it's there. 0.5 brown ballpoint gel ink ball pen. It's not too bad. I think you could probably take that tape off. But it's a short, compact. When they say compact, it is very compact. So like I have it's the almost the length of a hand cream from Bath and Body Works. That is very tiny. Let me see. Then I bought a pack of 10 of the blue black ink pens. I don't know if but I like how I've had one in the past and how I wrote. And of course, it came with a protector cover so that it wouldn't leak everywhere. Let me do a writing sample of that. So let's see. Let me get all that off here and make sure. So it is the Muji gel pen in 0.38. So it's a blue black. Am I a fan of it? I think I can get used to it. It's different. I just want some smaller tip pen. So it's kind of scratchy. I literally got the end of all it off, but let's see. I don't know about these. Verdict's still out. They're kind of scratchy. Scratchier than another 3.8. Let me see. I have a 0.7, and the 0.7 writes a lot smoother. I don't know. It's because it's the point. I know that you get a different thing. I just threw out my 0.38 of my old one because I knew these was on the way, but I don't know if I realized if they were going to be scratchy. Okay, so the last thing that I purchased, and I did this because I was watching Just Scribble's channel, a YouTube channel, and she reviewed a monthly planner for Muji. And when I went to look originally, they didn't have any, and so I guess those are in there. I bought 2. I bought monthly planner, and this one is with the burgundy. It's a B5 from August 2025. What was the difference? Oh, the red is the Sunday start, and the blue is the Monday start. Well, I wanted both of them. So let's see what we have here. And the wrapper is just on the cover. but it's that craft color paper. Then you have the entire year of 2025. You have 2026 and then 2027 written out. And then a perpetual calendar that starts in August, and it has a spot for all the days of the week until for each month. And then starting in 2026, it has that part two. And then you have a pretty big size calendar with a lot of space. It's blank spots and no additional writing. You have a good size sidebar here and space at the bottom. No extra lines, no frills. It's the Sunday is red, but nothing else. September, August, September, October, November, December, and then January. So it goes to February, March, April, May. It goes all the way to September. Okay, so this is a monthly calendar, and it starts. What they say it starts with September, but it actually has the August calendar inside as well, and it is just the months. I think it's a good way to keep track of stuff that you want to keep track of. I guess I could say that from my junk journal. Why not? That over to the side. And then the Monday start. Same setup. The calendar just starts Monday, and then the weekend is in gray versus red. Then I just at the end of the year's worth for months, because it goes from August to September of the next year. You have line pages for notes, and you have a pretty good amount of line pages here. Just you want to keep up with things, but this is the Monday start. I think it's worth a tracking if you need to keep up with things. We have big things happening starting in August, starting in October for us as we're relocating. So it will be a good way to keep track of stuff, big wide spaces to keep track of information, facts, dates, appointments, notes, whatever. And then in the back have line pages to keep track. So I think I'm going to keep this one and give this one to my husband because it wouldn't matter to him if he had a Sunday start or not. But I think these are great monthly notebooks. I have the pens, and then I have the compact pen. Then I have the order from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo, and that is my Happy Meal. And I appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with me for a few minutes to look at my items. I hope that you find my videos entertaining, helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one.